guys, I'm Sarah and I am here with a bunch of people who are about to be blindfolded because the wonderful people at Dr. Bug's Popcorn sent me their Christmas box for us to do a review. Of course, my initial reaction was popcorn, of course it's cheaper to pop it yourself. However, I gather the idea behind this is that they are very gourmet flavours, and it's the sort of thing that a friend of mine actually got her nephew a box for Christmas last year, and apparently he absolutely loved it. As these are gourmet flavours, it would be only right to do a blind taste test and see if we can figure out what flavour is what. So, I have my 3 plonkers here, and I also have my dad, who's...
Plonker.
Yep. Clint is going to see what the flavours are, but he's not going to tell us. We're just going to be given one, and we have to try and decipher what flavour it is.
Coffee flavoured.
I imagine receiving this out of the blue would be quite a treat.
Oh, it smells of ginger nut.
Oh yeah.
Limited edition. I'm liking. I want.
Mm.
I'm gonna try some of this too.
Crystallized ginger perhaps?
Oh, yeah. That's ginger.
Crystallized
Ginger.
ginger.
It tastes like a ginger nut. That is yummy.
Yeah.
I could fill up on them.
Ginger. Ginger.
Oh,
Gingerbread maybe?
Yeah, not too
There's
strong,
ginger
but a lovely,
something.
just a lovely tang.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh,
It
boy,
is.
that's good.
That's
Sweet, it's quite
Okay.
sweet.
Actually, it's more like a ginger
It's
slice.
sweet, but kind of spicy.
You know how you get a ginger slice?
Ginger
Oh,
something.
that's yummy.
I say it's
Ginger
like
crunch or ginger slice.
Gingerbread.
As it's Christmas themed, probably gingerbread.
Yeah, gingerbread.
Okay, this just sort of
That
smells of
smells like
popcorn.
popcorn.
Yeah, it smells of popcorn.
Oh yeah, it's like a type of berry.
Candy floss?
Yeah.
You're
Does it
kidding
need to
me,
be-
right?
That's not as strong.
No.
Not as
Milder.
strong.
I think
Is
it's
it slightly
candy floss.
caramelly?
Have
Quite
another taste.
sweet, quite
because
sweet.
I would hate
It
for
is
that,
sweet.
that ginger to corrupt your taste. So have another one. Each.
That's weird.
Is that the same as we've just
I'm
done?
wondering if it's
Yeah.
like meant to be caramelly.
What do you think,
Yeah.
Sam? Have you used another one, Esther?
Yeah.
I think it's meant to be a caramel sort of flavour.
Yeah,
Yes.
because that ginger was quite strong. Yeah.
I like the ginger one better.
I say it's caramel. Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, this was a nice caramel, quite sweet.
It
Nice,
is.
nice flavour, but it hasn't got that punch.
Oh!
That one hits you straight away.
I can.
Oh.
A real tang.
Smells
Oh,
tangy.
taste it.
Limited edition. Oh,
Oh!
Oh man.
Oh.
That is good.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
this
Is
is
that
great.
appley?
Very apple.
Oh!
Tangy apple. Yeah.
It's like apple
Actually.
fizz,
Sugared
apple
apple.
tang.
Oh.
I would have said appley, but because I know my husband and he said he's really keen to try this, I'm thinking it might be Feijoa.
Yeah.
Well, at the end, we will see.
It's got a
Feijoa.
savoury.
Yeah, Feijoa. I can actually taste that a little bit there.
Needless to say,
Oh,
that
that's very
is one of my.
flavoursome.
That is epic.
That smells sweet.
It does smell sweet.
But tastes tangy.
Oh!
This is yummy.
Oh, is it like sherbet?
You sherbet.
No, but because my mind tells me I'm reading it, I can pick up the taste straight away, and it is actually very nice.
Yeah, that's why I thought it best to do blind.
Yeah, I think it's sherbet.
It tastes very sherbety. It's very sweet.
Oh, what's the flavour?
It's got quite a tang to it though.
Sherbet
What's the
fish.
flavour?
That's actually two things combined.
Oh.
Ooh. Raspberry sherbet.
No.
Sherbet and bubblegum. Lemon
Is it meant to be
sherbet.
slightly berryish? Maybe?
That you all want another taste?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah.
I think it's got.
Very
That tastes like
sherbety.
banana/apple.
I think it's got a berryish tang to it.
Apple's got banana, berry, sherbety. Sweet apple. Can you just say, alright, I'm
I
going
can't
for this
pin down the
flavour.
flavour, but it is a nice flavour, but very sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't
It is
tell that.
familiar,
Yeah.
but I can't pinpoint it.
Okay, right.
Okay.
This one is 3 flavours.
Oh.
Ooh, right.
Oh, that's going to be difficult, isn't it?
Trifle.
It's a bit more subtle.
That's
Chocolate.
so- yeah. Caramel chocolate or something.
Oh. That tastes kind of familiar. But,
Yeah.
Oh,
It's something I.
okay, the piece I just had so burst with the flavour.
It's almost got a bit of a fizz to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lemonade.
Orange.
Lemonade.
No, it's not.
No, not that kind of a fizz.
Yeah, but once your fizz is gone, then the flavour.
Now, I
comes
can
through.
definitely taste it. Do you want another taste?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Chocolate is one. The
I'm
chocolate is
thinking
the
first
only
it's
one.
chocolate.
Oh, right.
I wouldn't say chocolate.
Sugar doll. Chocolate is last. It's definitely chocolate or caramel or something.
it's hard to identify individuals.
Well, I will say the kids have got one thing right.
Chocolate?
Unless it's meant to be like white chocolate maybe, because it's very sweet.
It is sweet.
And it is a very pretty colour.
There's a lot of flavours in this packet, isn't there?
There is.
Well,
Chocolate.
Oh,
Trifle?
that's minty.
Oh yeah. That
Candy
is,
cane. Candy cane.
that,
Candy cane.
Yeah.
Candy cane.
Okay.
oh,
that is definitely candy cane, yeah.
That candy cane.
Yeah,
You
it's
can
got,
smell.
it's got
Yeah.
a nice spearmint.
Definitely candy cane.
Can't smell much, but yeah, when you put it in your mouth,
Spearmint
it's
flavour. That's
Yeah.
definitely spearmint.
Mm.
I can smell popcorn.
Wow.
Oh. Oh, there. Lemon.
oh.
Oh, lemony one.
Lemon.
I think it is lemon.
Oh,
Chocolate
yeah.
orange.
It's definitely
I don't know how you
citrusy.
get orange out of that.
Lemon. 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 That is
Oh,
lemon
that
or
was
something
nice.
that is
Oh,
lemon. Lemon.
It's like those boiled lollies.
Yeah.
Those lemony.
Yeah.
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 Well,
Yes, it's lemon.
I got orange.
I just got a chunk of chocolate in it.
Lemon
I got
sherbet in the
orange.
middle.
Yeah.
You want another
Lemon.
taste? Oh, you've already.
Mm.
I say lemon.
Yeah, it's like one of those sucky lollies that
You
you
want-
guys
Yeah.
used to
Yeah.
get.
You,
Yeah.
Smells
Oh,
nice.
coconut. That smells of coconut. Coconut yeast. That's coconut. The inbred is different coconut.
Rumbles?
Coconut. I can taste coconut.
Mm.
Coconut.
Yeah, kind of chocolatey, coconutty.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
it's
coconut's
coconut.
coming through.
Leamington.
mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe yes.
Oh,
Yes, it is. It's like the icing off a chocolate lamington.
Yeah.
All right. It is done. We have been through all 8
We have
flavours.
done.
Do I get to take this
Yeah.
off now?
They like.
Right. That was the first one.
That
That
one
one
was
was-
Oh,
favourite.
put the light on.
And then.
Oh yeah,
and
that
then
is
the
gingerbread.
lemon.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
all
Then
about
double
that.
caramel.
That and the lemon.
And you guys can.
And
Oh
this,
yeah, caramel.
and this is my favourite.
Oh, that one was awesome. That one was a
Big
close
choice.
second.
Jello.
Pijo and
Big
cider.
Yeah,
I
that's
like the ginger
that's-
and the lemon.
an acquired
Mm.
taste. It's really
Oh,
nice.
kiwi fruit
Really
pavlova.
nice.
And another
Mm.
gingerbread one.
A lot of people won't like that.
Yeah, stop scoffing them, you.
Yeah, do I get the extra one now?
No.
Oh,
Berries. Oh, I think I
sorbet.
said berry, didn't I?
Yeah, that was-
Also berry.
I didn't
No,
pick
it's
kiwi fruit
definitely-
I like
pavlova.
So- so then-
ginger
Aston.
and the
That ginger was
lemon.
really good.
Ginger and lemon, but
Yeah,
the
the lemon
ginger
was
were
nice.
lovely.
So that's
I
the
mean,
one I.
ginger
Candy
would
cane.
be really
Candy cane,
good
we
for
got
the
that.
Christmas
What's the other ones?
nibbles.
Oh, lemon
Lemon
meringue
meringue
pie.
pie.
What
Yeah.
else do we have?
And
And what was the other one?
It was.
coconut.
Oh,
Oh, coconut ice.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
white chocolate.
Ah. Well, I was close.
That was
Yeah.
the one that had the 3 flavours. So it's white
Very-
chocolate,
very-
berries, So I bit into my one. I could taste the white chocolate, and then blackberry came through. It was real nice.
My mum, do I get any
That
extra
was
one?
nice. Yeah.
No, I could taste the berries, but I couldn't
You
taste
can,
individual
you can have
berries.
one more each. Go on.
We made a plate of nibbles for Christmas. The ginger and the lemon. Nice, nice
combination.
Can I
contrast.
have one of these
Yeah.
as well,
Very
please?
nice
Yeah.
combination.
So are these in
But
the
that's
supermarkets or?
I believe you have to order them online.
Hey, Mum.
Dr.
Yeah.
Bug's popcorn. I
Hey, Mum.
think.
Yeah.
I'll check it out.
Can I
I'll
have
put
one
some
of these
words
as
up.
well?
There's a
Oh,
lot of
wait,
negotiation going on about who's eating what now. Just because they're all open doesn't
Can I
mean you
have
have to. Alright, there's all sorts going on here. Anyway, all in all, that is awesome. I think anyone would be pretty happy to get that as a Christmas present.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
neat.
Oh,
Especially if you've got parents or children that are, what is it, in the North Island or to the South Island, you know, something that you'd order online and
you
send
can order
away,
it
you know.
and send it, and then you don't have to
Yeah.
worry about postage because
Yeah. Done.
I believe they're local here in Christchurch though, Dr. Bugs.
It's great for a Christmas hamper,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Christmas present,
Yeah.
anything like that. It's
And
it's
delivery.
it's really a different snack.
I'm putting that on my Christmas
A
list.
lovely
Mum.
treat.
And delivery was really prompt, by the way. They asked for my address and it arrived the following morning. So that was super quick. So yay, thank you,
That's
Dr. Bugs. That is awesome.
Well done.
that's a great
Yeah.
Christmas game as well. A party game.
Actually, yeah, it is. I'll put a link down below to the Dr. Bugs website for anyone interested. Okay? All right. We'll catch you next week. Bye.
Bye.